Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench. We're going to do a shootout. Lie-Nielsen, low angle block plane versus Miller's Falls, low angle block plane. So we'll give the underdog the first shot. I have sharpened these similarly, to be fair, and I have set them similarly. The Miller's Falls I got off eBay. I think delivered I had $24 tied up in it. Which of these planes is better is so subjective because they're both performing the same exact task and yielding the same results. All I will say is don't overlook the underdogs. Okay? I can't even measure how thin that is. One thing I will say, the Lie-Nielsen is heavier. And just a little bit more comfortable in my hand. But that's amazing. Miller's Falls, number 56, versus the Lie-Nielsen 60.5. Will I always recommend the Lie-Nielsen? Absolutely. Why? Number one, it's an indispensable tool. Number two, made right here in America. And it's a once in a lifetime purchase. Do I recommend restoring old tools? Yes, absolutely. They were made in America. And as you can tell, it's a multi-generational tool. Like I said, it's subjective. I like both of them. This one's probably going to go to someone one day. I know somebody who needs a small plane. The one big difference between them, very big difference, is how fine I can adjust the mouth. I can't adjust it real fine on the Miller's Falls. I can adjust it, but only so tight Whereas with the Lie-Nielsen, I can virtually adjust it to where it almost touches the cutter. I just opened it somewhat to see if it changes the cut. Nope, doesn't change the cut much. Not on this wood. So that's about it, everybody. Hope you're enjoying this beautiful summer's evening. I'm going inside, out of the hot workshop. But let me know your comments about which you think is better for you. Look at that. It's like cotton. It's like cotton. 1,000 shavings. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.